In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix your account cannot be used in this location. If you also got this error on your Netflix, then in this video, I'm going to show you a way that you can fix it. Whether you're using Netflix on your phone or on your desktop, you might have gotten this error. The only way that you can fix this issue is you can connect to a VPN. You can connect to a VPN of different countries or from different locations of your country. You can use a free VPN or a paid VPN if you have. Just open up any VPN that you want, and then you can connect to a server or a country inside of the VPN. Even if you're connecting to the same country, if there are multiple servers in that country, you can also try connecting to it. For example, in this case, I'm connecting to a United States VPN, and as you can see, there are tons of servers that I can choose from. Even if I'm in the same country, I can use different servers to connect. Now this way, when I connect to a server on the VPN, I can easily open up Netflix and that particular error won't show up. So that's the way that you can fix this issue. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.